5 reasons why I believe this is the best BB cream on the market. Number 1 is the flexibility in finish. Now for me personally, I feel that this BB cream has more of like a normal finish, which I think is a great place to start because there's a ton of flexibility here. For me, for example, I really like my skin to look nice and dewy, so I like to go in with a really hydrating product beforehand. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I apply this before I go in with this BB cream. If you want more of a matte finish, just go in with a mattifying primer or some mattifying skincare. So you have a ton of nice flexibility with the product, just depending on how you like your skin to look. Number 2, and this is a big one for me. This BB cream has SPF42 in it. I am so used to having to apply a sunscreen before I go in with any type of foundation. And what I love about this BB cream is I don't have to do that. It already has SPF in it. But the amount of SPF is what is so mind-blowing to me. I feel like in a lot of foundations, you'll see SPF 15, SPF 30 maybe at the most. But SPF 42, that is incredible. Number 3 is the ingredients. Not only does this look beautiful on the skin, obviously, I'm just blend it out, but it also has amazing skin-loving ingredients in it, like hyaluronic acid and ceramides, which help keep your skin moisturized, as well as rosemary leaf extract and chamomile flower extract, which helps soothe the skin. I have extremely sensitive skin, so I can really feel when something is irritating it. I've had 0 problems with this one. I absolutely love the way this feels on my skin. Number 4 is the price. Now, I believe this retails for $24, which already is not a bad price for a good BB cream, especially because this is 1.69 fluid ounces, and I've never had to pay that much for this product. I actually purchased this for like $10. You can randomly find it on sale literally all the time. $10 for a clean beauty product that literally looks so fantastic and beautiful on the skin. Sign me up. Lastly is how easy this is to get. I've found it in so many different places. Amazon, obviously from the Missha site, and I've also found it at Target, so it's super easy to get. When I purchased it from Target, it is like an online only product, but it came really fast. Here's what it looks like on my skin, all blended out. It just blends and melts flawlessly into the skin. And like I said, I did apply a very dewy skincare product beforehand, so that's why I'm looking ultra glowy, but you can totally mattify this down. I just love how skin-like it looks. Like when I back up, you can really tell. It just doesn't look like I have a ton on my face. I am obsessed. I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup and show you what it looks like at the end. All right, I am finished with the rest of my makeup, and this is what my skin's looking like. Looks so nice and healthy and glowy. And what I love about this product also is all of my other makeup products layer so nicely on top of it. I have 0 issues with any of the products that I've ever tried with it. I'm obsessed, clearly, and I think you should be too. This BB cream, it's truly the best.